In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in Sofascore app. First of all, launch open Sofascore application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here Sofascore application has been opened. At top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to see the account icon. Tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be led to your profile interface. So if you want to log into your account, tap on this option sign in that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to see the sign in methods over here. The sign in methods are Facebook and Google. So simply tap on the login method that you used while creating your account. Here I'm just going to tap on this option continue with Google. Now you can see over here you'll have to select the Google account that you would like to sign in with. So simply tap on the Google account of your choice. If you're signing in for the first time, you'll have to agree to the privacy policy and terms of service. Tap on this option agree and share. Now you can see over here you'll easily be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Sofascore app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.